Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a smooth text animation in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, right-click in the media pool, go to New Item, and then select Color Matte. Set the color matte to 1920 by 1080 and at 60 Hz. Set the color matte to white, then press OK. Drag the color matte onto the timeline. Now go to Sequence, then Sequence Settings. Make sure you're using 60 frames per second and a 1920 by 1080 frame size. Now select the Type tool and create a text box. Type out any text inside the box. Format the text however you want. In the Properties tab, align the text to the center and middle. After that, go to Effects, search for Transform, and apply it to the text layer. Then search for Crop and apply that as well. In the Effect Controls panel, go to the Transform section, uncheck Use Composition Shutter Angle, and increase the shutter angle to 360 to add motion blur. Now add a couple of position keyframes. At the very first frame, add a position keyframe and move the text slightly downward. Then move forward about 1 second and reset it back to its original placement. To make the animation smoother, select both keyframes, right-click on them, go to Temporal Interpolation, and first set them to Ease In. Right-click again and set them to Ease Out. Drop down the position graph and adjust the handles, dragging the right handle to the left and the left handle upward so the movement starts quickly and then slows down. Increase this value to around 10,000. You are free to play with the graph. Adjust it as you like to get even better results. Next, let's animate the opacity. At the very first frame, set opacity to 0. Then move forward a few frames and set it back to 100. Select both opacity keyframes, right-click on them and set them to Ease In and Ease Out. Expand the Opacity tab and adjust the graph handles for a smooth vibe. Move the position keyframes if you need to for even better results. You are free to play with the graph. Adjust it as you like to get even better results. Now this is already looking pretty nice. To make this animation even better, duplicate the text layer by holding Alt and dragging it upward. Create as many copies as the number of words in your sentence. For example, I have 3 words, so I'll make 3 copies. Then adjust the timing of each copy so the words appear one after another. Go to the Effect Controls. For the first text layer, in the Crop effect, select only the first word so the rest disappear. For the second layer, crop to the second word only, and for the third, do the same. This way, you'll have 1 word per layer, and that's it. Here's how it looks. If you're working with multiple lines, here's how to connect them together seamlessly. First, nest all the text layers. Go to Effects and apply another transform effect to the nested layer. Again, uncheck Use Composition Shutter Angle and set the shutter angle to 360. Now add position keyframes inside the transform effect. Place the first one where you want the animation to end. Then move forward a few frames and move the position upward from its original placement. Select both keyframes, ease them in and out, and adjust the graph handles for smooth motion. For opacity, create a keyframe at 100%, move forward a few frames, and change it to 0. Again, ease them in and out, then smooth out the handles. Now your line is ready to transition into the next one. To sync another line, just drag the new nested clip above the main one and align it. And if you have third or fourth lines, you can copy the transform from the first one and paste it onto the others. Let's play it from the start. And that's how you can create a clean, smooth text animation in Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.